Welcome to Learn Geography with GIS. During this module we will talk about managing your spatial data. During any GIS project, you will likely need a lot of different types of data from a variety of sources. All of these will need to be managed and organized so that you can get access to them as and when needed during a project. Not only will you be using a lot of data, but also generating a lot of new data during your analysis. Every time you run a tool to conduct an analysis, you will be creating a new data output. This can result in an explosion of new information. If you are not organized, then it could become difficult finding the output you need. Outputs will be created during the data processing and data analysis stage. As you work through your analysis, take into consideration how to name and version your outputs so that you can keep track of these. Once you have completed your analysis and you would like to share or store your data, also include some metadata. Unless you specify where to store the outputs from your analysis, these will be stored in a geodatabase .gdb in the default project folder. These can generally be found in the ArcGIS folder in the Documents folder. Here you will find a number of other files too. The .aprx file contains all of the project details. The .tbx contains any tools you may have added or created. To clean up any unwanted data or files you have created during one of your analyses, open the Arc catalog, navigate to the geodatabase or directory where you have saved your data. Delete or rename files within Arc catalog. In summary, during this module you learned about managing spatial data and the storage of data outputs. This is the end of the spatial data module. We hope that this has provided you with a good understanding of the different aspects of data and data considerations. That is all for now. For more information, visit our website.